Hello digital health space family and friend, and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can draw your cartoonized cat head in all different angle, like a face, a profile, and quarter face, you name it. Without further ado, let's get started. The software that we will use in this video is Medibang, and if you're new to Medibang, I think that can be a good introduction for you. For our drawing, we will use a really simple formula. After drawing a circle that will represent our head, we will divide it in two, and then we will create two arcs that will help us position our eyes, and without forgetting a round to put the nose and the mouth, and two triangles on top of the head that will represent the ear. It will be the same for those cat head in different angles.
Here we go.
I draw those circle by ends, but if you want, you can also use the circle tools that you found in Medibang, like I'm doing now. Okay, now let us start by our three-quarter face. After dividing our face in half, we create those two arcs to help us position our eyes, and then we create that round that will represent the nose position. Once we finish with that, we put our eyes, and also now we will position our ears. So here it is, pretty simple. You have it, our rough sketch. And now what we do, we decrease the opacity of that layer, recreating another one that will help us to retrace our final art. So now I'm just retracing now, and yeah, and here you have it. For the profile view, we do the same, creating the arc to position our eyes, without forgetting the round for the nose and the mouth, and the triangle for the ears. So here you have it. It's a really simple, nothing too complicated for our cute cat. So decreasing again the opacity of the layer, creating a new one for our final art. Now let's go for the front view, and you probably already know those two arcs to put our eyes position, the small round in the middle for the nose and the mouth, and those two triangles for our ears. So here it is, and now I'm just putting some more detail, and after that decrease the opacity of that layer and finish my final art. All along the way, you can keep turning off and on your sketch layer to see how your final art is going on. The video will be in a series on how to draw animals. I already show how you can draw bear, and I will put the link in the description so you can refer to it, and stay tuned because we'll come with more. And hey, before we continue further, here are some great eyes idea that can help you. For the cat face looking down, you just have to pay attention to how I draw the eyes, as they seem to be pushing down in the lower part or even at the edge of our head circle. The ear will be drawn in the center of the circle this time. We then, after putting the line base for our sketch, create another layer to redraw our final art, make it clean and neat. Now attacking the cat looking up, I think this is the easiest of the drawing so far. So you just have to follow along with me. But in this time, do not forget to put those two lines that you are seeing now that will represent the lower jaw of the mouth. This is really important. Drawing the cat profile looking up, we start by dividing the face in half, but this time the angle of the line will be different just to match the alignment of the eyes position that will, as you already guessed, be inside of our two arcs. And for final touch, some here's idea to help you improve your art. We then drew a simple representation of the nose and then the ears. It's really nothing too complicated, and as it is also slightly different from the profile view. And I'm pretty sure if you're following along with me, you also are doing pretty good. Hoping that this video was indeed to you, please give it a like to help reaching more people that might need some advice like that on how to draw their cat. And do not forget to subscribe as well to stay tuned with our new content.